Hello, welcome back to Fundamental STEM and to the 6th video in this series of how to draw shapes in Scratch. And this one is going to be the square. Very easy, very quick, very short bit of code. So I just want to take a second to get you guys to head over to the channel. Well, you're probably on the channel there now. Click subscribe, please, guys. I need subscribers, okay? So I need you guys to click on subscribe, and then when you click on that bell there, you'll get notifications. I actually turned it off there. You'll get notifications. You see it popping up there, and you can see all our other videos and the playlists. So you can jump in there and you can have all our other coding videos, and all our videos are listed there, and lots more videos to come. So let's get into Scratch. This is the square. We can get rid of the cat. We don't need him. Let's open up our sprites. Let's grab our pencil. You know the drill by now. Grab our pencil. There's our pencil. Click. Head into costumes. Get rid of the second costume and center the tip of our pencil in the crosshairs. Okay, just like this. Then we need to go into our backdrop and grab our backdrop. So again, I'm using my brick wall, and I'm going to click onto the pencil and click in code. Okay, so this is very quick, guys, because it's 4 equal sides, it's only really going to have one loop. So what we need to do is we need to just pull out our green flag to get the code started. I'll line that up for you. And then we need a go-to block and a point and direction block. Okay, so we'll pull out a go-to block of where we want it to start. So you can just basically pull the pen to roughly where you want it to start. So I'm going to say about here. That looks fine to me. Then we need to pull out that go-to block. So go to that position and point in the direction of 90 degrees. So for when we click on the green flag, that's where it's going to go to, and it's going to point ready to shoot across 90 degrees to the right. Now we need some pen blocks. So we got to click into our extensions, and here's our pen functions here, and there's our pen blocks. So let's pen up. Let's erase all. Okay. Then let's set our color and pen size. Or pen size and color, really doesn't make a difference. And we'll go size 5 for the pen and set pen color to 50 will do just fine. Let's just leave that at 50. Then we can put the pen down. Okay, we're ready to draw our shape. So I'm just going to make that a bit smaller. Now this is where it gets really easy. If you did the triangles with me over the last couple of days, you'll see that 2 of them were quite complicated insofar as you had to actually tell each individual step. But a square is such a great thing to draw because it literally has 4 sides exactly the same and 4 angles that are exactly the same. So we can put it all into one loop. So let's pull out a repeat block. Okay, and this is going to be repeat 4 times because we've got 4 sides. Okay, and then we'll pull out another repeat block. Now if you guys remember, I'm only using this repeat block because I like to slow the pen down by having it. Okay, you could say move 100 steps, or you could say move 10 steps 10 times. 10 times 10, 100. Same thing. And I'm going to show you the extra effect of sticking an extra little weight block in there too. So let's go into our controls and grab a weight block and put that in just under your move 10 steps. And let's put in 0.1 in there. So that'll just basically mean it'll move 10 steps, it'll wait a little bit of time, and then it'll move 10 steps again, and it'll do that 10 times. Okay, so then our rotation or our turning is going to be, can you figure this one out yourself, guys? What should we turn if it's a square? 90 degrees, exactly, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. And that is basically us done. Okay, now we're going to add on to this code tomorrow. I'm going to show you how we can draw. So that's a square, and the other thing that's quite like a square but has ever so slight differences is a rectangle. Okay, so we'll add that into our code tomorrow, but let's see how this one runs. Okay, and you can see that pausing that's going on there. It's kind of bip as it's going along. It gives more of an effect, slows the pen down, makes more of a drawing effect. So you can mess around with the numbers and try this sort of thing with your own code. I'm hoping you guys are following me now each day and trying it. I know these are really, really easy, but we're building up, okay? We're learning the easy stuff and we're building up, and in the next couple of days we're going to get much, much tougher, and then by the time we get to the end of this series, we're going to have variables and various other things, and we're going to do all sorts of cool designs and things like that. So that was the end of that one. We'll see you again tomorrow for the next video, where we'll be adding in a rectangle to this. Remember guys, I need subscribers. Please click subscribe. We got to grow this channel together, and I'm going to keep making videos for you guys. Comment if there's anything you want me to have a look at, or if there's any other videos you'd like me to make. Just comment down below and subscribe, click like. See you in the next one.